Hello, Nirvan. How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Very good, very good. So, Nirvan, in just 3 months, you have learned pre-algebra concepts and now you're solving equations. Today, we are going to take another set of 20 questions to solve. Are you ready for that?
Yes.
Can you tell, for the benefit of for our viewers, about yourself, something about yourself?
Mm, my name is Nirvan. I'm a grade 5 student, and I started this journey in the summer to come here. I was learning about pre-algebra.
Right. And so now you can solve equations. So let me just share with you set of questions which I have prepared for you. So I'm calling it level 2 variable on one side. So we have variable on one side of each and every equation. There will be 20 of these questions. In today's video, I would like you to follow steps and solve these questions. So can you please solve x plus 3 equals to 25? Tell me, how will you solve it?
So you want me to, okay?
Yeah, you can do it on the screen.
Okay, I'll do that then. So the first step you have to do, you have to see x plus 3 equal to 25, and your job is to bring the number that is not a part of a variable to the other side,
Right.
like this. X equals to 25, and then it was plus 3. Now it's minus 3, and then 22.
So x is 22. So you do reverse operation, right? So plus 3 becomes minus 3. Can you do the next question? That is correct.
So this time you have to bring the 7 to the other side. It's a minus 7 equals to 11 minus 7, and
Minus
which,
7 will become plus 7.
which is 18.
Perfect. Next question.
So x minus 5 is 0. So for the steps, you see minus 5, you bring 5 to the other side equals to 0 plus 5, which is 5. So x is 5.
Correct. Next question.
So 2x means 2 times x,
Yes.
right? So then, um, so which is 0? 2x equals 0. So anything multiplied 0 is 0. So x equals to 0.
That's great. So we got the first set of questions now. So we'll move on to the next set of questions, which is question number 5 to 8.
Okay. So 2x, remember, it means 2 times x.
Right.
You have to bring it to the other side. 2x equals to 5 plus 3, which is 8.
Correct.
Right? So 2x equals 8. X equals to 8 divided by 2, which is 4.
Perfect. That is correct answer. So if you substitute 4 here for x, you get 2 times 4 is 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. So you know it is correct answer. Can you please solve the next question?
Wait, 3x minus 5 is 13. 3x equals to 13 plus 5, which is 18.
Yes.
X equals to 18 over 3, which is 6.
Correct. So that is the right answer. Question number 7 now.
5x equals to 29 minus 4, which is 25.
Correct.
X equals to 25 over 5, which is 5.
Perfect. Question number 8 now.
Okay. 2x equals, so you bring it to the other side and make it positive. 6 plus 6, 12. 2x equals to 12.
Correct.
X equals to 12 divided by 2, which is 6.
Perfect. So this time it is 6. So that is how we answer these questions. Perfect. So let me move on to the next page.
Mm.
So we've done 8 questions. So here are the next 4 questions for you, Nirvan. Can you please answer them?
Oh, okay. See, you can see that there's a denominator. There's
Fraction
fraction.
here, right? So these equations involve fractions.
Yeah, you have to get rid of it. So you
But
see,
you can do first +4 and then get rid of it. You can do that also.
well, yeah, but that's an easier way. Yeah, you
Yeah,
can
yeah.
plus 4 plus 4,
So
right?
try to solve.
Well, I'll do it my way if it's easier. So you multiply by 2 to get rid of it. You cross and you multiply 2 here and you multiply 2 here. The dot
Correct.
means times is another way, so you don't get confused with x.
Right.
So equals to x minus 4 times 2, 8 equals to 3 times 2, 6.
Yes.
So now this is simple. You
Yeah.
could bring it, you could do x equals to 6 plus 8 equals to 14.
Correct. So that is absolutely correct. We could do alternate way also. Let me do it on the side. So the question
Yeah.
here was half x minus 4 equals to 3. So let's simplify. We'll write half x equals to 3 plus 4. So we have half x equals to 3 plus 4 is 7. Now we're going to multiply by 2 and we get 7 times 2, which is 14. And that is how we could also solve it, right? Try to do the next question. Question number 10 now.
Okay. Okay. Um, so you get minus 7 from both sides. I mean plus 7, not minus 7.
Yeah,
Right?
do it and then solve the question on the screen.
So then you minus, so it'll be turning to 1 over 3 x equals to 1 plus 7, which is 8.
Perfect.
Yeah, so then you multiply 3
Yeah.
cross, and then x equals to 8 times 3, 24.
Perfect. That is absolutely right. Now move on to question number 11.
Now, for multiply both cross. So it equals to x. Oh, sorry, I forgot. You have to multiply 4 with this 2. All
Yeah,
terms.
yeah.
X plus 16 equals to 20.
Correct.
X equals to 20 minus 16, 14.
4, 4.
Oh, sorry, 4.
Perfect. Question number 12 now.
Okay, so this time, what you do? You multiply 3, 3, 3 cancelled, so then 2x plus 9 equals to 9.
Yeah.
Huh? Oh, yeah. Kind of weird. Oh, I got it. I got it. Huh. Huh. So it equals to 9 minus 9 equals 0. So x
Yeah.
equals 0.
Perfect. So x equals
Oh,
to 0.
yeah. 0 plus 3 is 3. So it doesn't
Yeah.
fit.
So it makes sense. So we could have 0 also as one of the answers. So that's great. we can move on to the next page, right? Let me clear the screen and we'll move on to the next page. So another set of 4 questions for you. Again, variables on one side, we are considering in next video. We'll take our variables on both the sides. Nirvan, can you answer these questions one by one?
Okay. X equals to, maybe that was 2, that's okay. X equals to 5 minus, what?
Yes, so we're talking about integers.
Oh, yeah. I just noticed, yeah. Which is minus 3.
Very good.
So
How
X
did you
is,
get minus 3?
because I had my trick, you know now,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
You keep minus 8 there. You
yeah.
bring the 5, so it's going to be 8 minus 5, which is 3. And you're
Right.
left with minus 3. You're like, I can show you.
Yeah, that's okay. That's okay.
Okay, no.
So that's perfect. So because the bigger number is negative, the answer has to be negative, right? And the trick with Nirvan is that to do 5 minus 8, he does minus and then within brackets 8 minus 5, which is minus 3. That's beautiful way of doing it. Please do the next one, Nirvan.
Okay. It has to be a minus number.
Yeah.
So you leave x. X equals to 1 minus 7,
Yes.
which is again minus 6.
Correct. Next
X
question.
is minus 6. Yeah. Okay. 2x equals to 1 minus 5, which is minus 4.
Correct.
X equals to minus 4 divided by 2, or minus 4 divided by 2 together, which is minus 2.
Perfect. So when you divide positive number by negative or negative by positive, you get negative result. Minus 2 is the correct answer. Next question, question number 16.
3x equals to 3 minus 9, which is minus 6. X equals to minus 6 over 3, which is minus 2.
Perfect. So you saw how Nirvan has dealt with integers in this particular question. Great job, Nirvan. So we did fractions in the previous set of 4 questions, and in this one, we did integers. Now we have mixed up questions for you, Nirvan. We have fractions, and there could be integers also. You get the idea.
What about no solutions? Not today.
Maybe. We don't know. Let us see.
I don't think so.
Yeah, not because we have x only on one side. That is fine.
Yeah.
Okay, can you please solve question number 17 now?
Okay, so you're left with minus x. The first part equals to 10 minus 8, which is 2.
Right.
So you know minus x equals to 2, but you want to find x, so you flip it around.
X equals to minus 2. Very good. So you
And
can have negative
remember,
ones.
minus and minus is plus.
Yeah,
So 8 minus minus 2 will be 8 plus 2, because the 2
correct.
minus and the plus.
Good job. Next question, question 18.
Okay, you see the same way you can't do anything. It has to be a minus number again, I can
Yes.
tell. But
Okay.
minus x, we'll do it by steps.
Yes.
19 minus 9, which is 10. Minus x equals 10. You want to get x. So x equals to minus 10.
Correct.
Okay, so
Next question.
this time there's a fraction. You have to
Also,
get rid of
yeah.
it. Yeah, so there are 2 ways. I'll show you the way that I usually do for the first type.
Okay.
2, 2, 2.
So multiply by the lowest common multiple, right? So he is using LCM to multiply each term. Continue.
So I cancel this on the first the denominator. You have to multiply by every term. You're left with x plus 14 equals to 6.
Correct.
So now it's pretty simple. X equals to 6 minus 14. Well, it may not be simple. Minus 8.
Perfect. So x equals to
Yeah.
minus 8 is the right answer. Question number 20. This time you take 4 to the right hand side and then solve. Okay?
Yeah. This time I do that way.
Alternate method.
Yeah. Alternate.
Yeah, please do.
Okay. 3 over 2x equals to 1 minus 4 minus 3.
Yes.
Can I do it on the black screen now?
Yeah, now change the color, do it on the black screen. Yeah, 3 by 2 x equals to minus 3.
Okay, I'll
Just
change it.
trying to solve this question. Let me rewrite this here. We have 3 by 2x equals to minus 3, Nirvan. Please solve it on this side.
Okay, now you continue. You multiply by 2 on both sides, right?
Yeah,
Oh, you cancel this part. 3x equals 2. Remember, if you multiply a negative number with a positive number, it'll still become negative. So
correct.
3 times 2, 6 minus 6.
Yes,
X equals 2 minus 6 over 3 minus 2.
correct. So you get x equals to minus 2 in this particular case. Perfect. Good job. So we'll move on to the next set of questions, which is the last. So are we done with those 20 questions? Okay. So, oh yeah, we did the 20th question. Correct. So with this, we did the first 20 questions on level 2, where one side had a variable, right? So we had a couple of examples with integers and some where integers and fractions were combined. So Nirvan, how did you find this exercise?
I found it good. It
Very,
was a little different today because, for example, 9 minus x equals 19 that you could see question 18.
yeah,
If you look at it, 9 minus any positive number you can think of.
yeah,
9 minus 10 would not be 19.
right.
But 9 plus 10 is 19. So how do you make it plus
Positive, yeah.
positive? Uh, So you have to make it a minus number instead because minus minus.
Correct. So what Nirvan is saying that you could do negative 10, right? Only then you get 19, and that is where the integers come into play. So very beautifully solved the questions, Nirvan. Great work done. So we are going to stop sharing this screen now. Can you now summarize in today's 20 questions how you solved them? What was your strategy?
Today we solve linear equations and also using integers
Yeah,
and fractions.
correct. Fractions you solved using two different methods. In the first method, you multiplied by the LCM each term and then solved it. And in the second method,
Bring
you
to the other
isolated x and
side.
then multiplied with the least, right? And did the reverse operation. Perfect job. Very well done. So, Nirvan will take up level 3 questions in our next video. Perfect. Are you all set for that?
Yes.
Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.
Okay,
Enjoy.
bye.
Thank you.